GITS College Empowering Educations Ahead. About GITS College. Established in 2009, GITS College has been committed to delivering quality educations through a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs. We are proudly affiliated with ISEC University, Rabindranath Tagore University and several other reputed universities. At GITS, we believe in providing a comprehensive teaching and learning environment that helps students not only understand concepts thoroughly but also prepares them for their career development. Highlights of GITS College: modern smart classrooms equipped with the latest technology to create an interactive and engaging learning experience. Internships programs: we are offering students real-life industry exposure to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Personality development and communication skill training. Our special grooming sessions to enhance confidence and prepare students for future challenges. Job placement training. We focus programs with equip students with the skills and confidence to successfully crack interviews and secure promising careers. With a blend of academic excellence, innovative teaching methods and holistic development programs, GITS College continues to shape bright futures. Mission statement of GITS College: to be the premier source for education, workforce training, industry partnerships and economic development. Vision statement of GITS College: about nurturing students, to nurture students into knowledgeable, skilled and ethically responsible individuals, fostering innovations, confidence and leadership qualities that empower them to excel in their careers and contribute meaningfully to society. About future-oriented goals: continuously upgrade curriculum, pedagogy and resources to provide cutting-edge knowledge across all disciplines. Focus on leaderships, ethics, communications and life skills for all-round personality growth. About global presence: use of online platforms and e-learning tools to connect with global knowledge hubs, opportunities for cross-cultural learning and global networking. About technological leaderships: our commitment to technological leadership ensures that students are equipped with the latest tools, digital resources and future-ready skills to thrive in an evolving world. Classrooms of GITS College. At GITS, we believe a classroom is more than just a place to study. It is a space to learn, interact and grow. Our classrooms are designed to provide a modern, comfortable and engaging learning environment for students. Key features of our classrooms: spacious and well ventilated. Our bright, airy rooms that create a positive atmosphere for learning. Smart class technology: our digital boards, projectors and audio-visual tools to make learning interactive and effective. Ergonomic sitting: our comfortable sitting arrangements to support long study hours without discomfort. Student-centered design: our classroom encourage group discussions, teamwork and active participation. Safety and accessibility: proper lighting, ventilations and accessibility features for all students. Our college library. GITS College Library serves as a hub of knowledge and learning, offering a wide range of books, journals and digital resources to support students and faculty. Our computer lab. At GITS, we believe in combining theory with practical exposure and our state-of-the-art computer lab stand as a testimony to the visions. Key features of our computer lab: high-speed internet. We provide 24/7 broadband connectivity to support research, project work and online learning. Licensed software and tools: access to programming platforms, database tools, design applications and other industry standard software. Practical oriented learning: our regular lab sessions, coding practice and hands-on project enhance technical skill. Air conditions and spacious: our comfortable sitting and well ventilated lab to ensure a student-friendly environment, faculty guidance, our qualified instructors and lab assistant to support students during practice session, our faculty members. At JITS, we take pride in our highly qualified and dedicated faculty members who form the backbone of our institutions. They are not only excellent teachers but also mentors, researchers and guides who play a vital role in shaping the future of our students. Our university support. We have got different university support. One is ISET, which is UGC and AICTE approved. Another one is Kalinga University, which is UGC and AICTE approved. We are offering different courses like Faculty of Computer Science and IT. So under Faculty of Computer Science and IT, we have got different courses. BSc IT, it's a 3 years program and eligibility is 10 plus 2 mathematics. MSc IT, it's a 2-year program and eligibility is bachelor degree in math, physics, electronics and CS. BCA, it's a 3 years program and eligibility is 10 plus 2 PCM. DCA, it's a 1-year program, eligibility is 10 plus 2 with any subject. PGDCA, it's a 1-year program and eligibility is graduation in any discipline. MCA, it's a 2 years program and eligibility is BCA in any graduate having maths as subject in class 12. Faculty of Management. Under Faculty of Management, we have got different courses. MBA, it's a 2 years program. Eligibility is graduation in any discipline. MBA Executive, it's a 1-year program and eligibility is graduation in any discipline with minimum 3 years industrial experience. BBA, it's a 3 years program and eligibility is 10 plus 2 with any subject. PGDRD, it's a 1-year program and eligibility is graduation in any discipline. Under Faculty of Commerce, we have got 2 different courses, that is BCom Honors and MCom. BCom is a 3 years program and eligibility is 10 plus 2 with Commerce and Science. MCom, it's a 2 years program and eligibility is graduation in Commerce. Faculty of Science. Under Faculty of Science, we have got different courses, that is BSc Honors, it's a 3 years program, eligibility is 12th with Science. MSc Maths is a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation with Maths. MSc Chemistry, it's a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in Chemistry. MSc Physics is a 2 years program, graduation is Physics. MSc Geology, it's a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in Geology. MSc Botany is a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in Botany. Under Faculty of Arts, we have got different courses, that is BLib, it's a 1-year program, eligibility is graduation in any discipline. BA, it's a 3 years program, eligibility is 10 plus 2 in any discipline. MLib, it's a 1-year program, eligibility is graduation and BLib. MA, it's a 2-year program, eligibility is graduation in any related disciplines. MA Geography, it's a 2-year program, eligibility is graduation in Geography. MSW, it's a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in any discipline. MA Education, it's a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in any discipline. Faculty of Agriculture. Under Faculty of Agriculture, we have got different courses. BSc Agriculture. BSc Agriculture is a 4 years program, eligibility is 10 plus 2. MSc Agriculture, it's a 2 years program, eligibility is graduation in BSc Agriculture. Faculty of Yoga. Under Faculty of Yoga, we have got different courses. PG Diploma in Yoga, it's a 1-year program, eligibility is graduation in any discipline. MA Yoga, it's a 2-year program, eligibility is graduation in any discipline. Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication. Under these, we have got 2 different courses, that is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, Master of Journalism. Duration 1 year for Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, eligibility is any graduate. For Master of Journalism, it's a 1-year program and eligibility is graduation of BJMC. Faculty of Performing Arts. Under Faculty of Performing Arts, we have got 2 different different courses, that is BPA. BPA is a 4-year programs and eligibility is 10 plus 2 in any discipline. MPA is a 2 years program and eligibility is graduation with relevant subjects. Now we have got Faculty of Fine Arts. Under this, we have got 2 different courses, that is Fine Arts, it's a 4 years programs, eligibility is 10 plus 2 at any discipline. Fine Arts in master degree, so its eligibility is graduation with relevant subjects. Now we have got Faculty of Law. Under Faculty of Law, we have LLB, it's a 3 years program, and LLM, it's a 2 years program. So under Faculty of Pharmacy, we have got 2 different courses. D Pharma, it's a 2 years program, and B Pharma, it's a 4 years program. So under Faculty of Engineering and Technology, we have got different diploma polytechnic programs related to all branches of that are civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, other emerging streams. Diploma in polytechnic for working professionals. Those who are working, they also can continue their studies with the help of different experiences. So what are the required eligibility? Here, specially designed for working individuals, flexible learning modes and industry-focused curriculum to enhance career growth. Now move to Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Under this, we have BTech course. So under BTech, we have different branches. We are providing all branches courses like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communications engineering, computer science engineering, information technology, artificial intelligence and data science, other specialized stream. So faculty in education, under faculty and educations we have got B.Ed, it's a 2-year, M.Ed is a 2-year program and DLED. So now why choose GITS college? Because we are providing different advantages. What are those? Quality educations. GITS offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs designed to provide strong academic foundations and industry-oriented skill. Experienced faculty learn from highly qualified and dedicated professors who blend theory with practical insights. Industry exposure with mandatory project, assignments and live case studies. Students gain real-world business and technical experience during their course. Modern infrastructure, well-equipped labs, digital classrooms, libraries and advanced IT facilities support a smooth learning environment. Skill development focus on soft skills, communications, leadership and teamwork, preparing students to excel beyond academics. First, placement assistance, active placement cell and strong industry linkage help students kickstart successful careers. Research and innovations, encouragement for innovative projects, research work and entrepreneurial initiatives. Student support, personalized mentoring, counseling and academic support ensures every student's growth. Proven track record, GITS alumni are successfully placed in reputed organizations, standing as a testimony to the quality of education. Now about project work and industry exposure. In the 3rd and 4th semester, students are required to undertake a project assignment in an organization which forms an integral part of GITS curriculum. Through these live assignments, students gain valuable industry exposure and apply classroom learning to real-world scenarios, enhance their knowledge, skill and problem-solving abilities, develop a deeper understanding of the practical challenges of business organizations and management practices. These projects, typically spanning 4 to 7 weeks, provide students with an excellent opportunity to plan their professional careers in light of the practical experience they acquire. Our students have trained in organizations like Tata Steel Limited, TCS Tata Consultancy Services, BSNL, Hindustan Copper Limited, Jamshedpur Utility Services Company Limited, HCL Technologies, other leading industries and institutions. Placement drive. At JITS College, we believe that true education reflects in successful careers. Our dedicated placement drive ensures that students are well prepared to step into the professional world with confidence. Key highlights: pre-placement trainings, sessions on communication skill, aptitude, technical test, and resume building, mock interviews and GDs, regular practice with industry experts to build confidence and crack real interviews, industry partnerships, strong tie-ups with reputed companies for campus recruitment, career guidance cells, personalized monitoring for students to choose the right career path, internships and live projects, practical exposure that bridge academics with industry requirements, cultural events. At JITS College, we believe that education goes beyond classrooms. Our cultural events are a vibrant platform where students showcase their talent, creativity, and leadership skills. These events bring together art, music, dance, drama, and literature, reflecting the diversity and spirit of our students. The cultural activity at JITS not only entertain but also nurture confidence, teamwork, and organizational skills. Each event is designed to encourage students to explore their passions, celebrate traditions, and develop a holistic personality. Thank you.